Gatte Ka Pulao is a Rajasthani classic with endless variations, and today I'm sharing a no onion garlic version that I made for the puja. To make the gattas, we will mix our besan with our spices, green chili and ginger. Then slowly we'll add our oil, mix everything together. Now start kneading it, add some yogurt and water to help it form a medium firm dough. Then we will roll and shape them into cylindrical shape and put them into boiling water. Let it boil for 15 minutes, take them out and cut into pieces. Saute these into some oil for a crispy golden brown crust. For the pulao, start by adding in your whole spices, cumin seeds, aromatics. Add in your rice, water and spices and cook covered until it's 60% done. Now fold in your gattas and veggies and cook until done and fluffy. Finish it off with a dash of garam masala, a squeeze of lemon and some cilantro. This dish is a Rajasthani classic and loved like no other. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.